Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video. Today, yes, I did say in the last video I made, today I'm going to be explaining what happened with, the whole hacking situation and all that stuff. So I'm basically going to be telling you how I beat them. So, basically, I made a new Instagram account and I pretended to be another jam generator, and I tricked them because basically the reason why they were hacking people, they told me, is because they really wanted to get this spike that their friend wanted, like, so badly. So I pretended to be a generator and saying, somebody told me that you wanted this spike and I can give it to you, and I persuaded them to give me their information. Don't worry, they've changed their password, so it's fine. And yeah, one sec, people. Yeah, guys, sorry about that. It's just my mum wanted something. Yeah. So I pretended to do the scanning thing. Basically pretending to be a generator. Any typical generator would be the same as what I did. But now this is kind of the unfair part for me, because I left them loads of stuff. They left me nothing. I will leave a link to both of the past videos that I've done on this in the description, so you can go and check those out if you missed anything. Yeah. And then afterwards I told them that it was me. And then I logged out of my Instagram. Yeah. Later on I discovered that they still have my masterpieces. I love those masterpieces. They are like my life. I love them too. And Red Velvet Gaming, that is now their username, because the actual hacker, their friend, found out that they hack people. So they gave up their account, which is Red Velvet Gaming, to give to the hacker, and they quit AJ. So that's pretty sad. So now the hacker is using the member account, which is Red Velvet Gaming. So I'm just going to go to the den and see if they've put the masterpieces out. Okay, it doesn't look like they have, because it's quite empty, which is annoying. Ugh. That really annoyed me though, because when I went to their den, I noticed them. It's like, why? Yeah. But yeah, Gumazing Diamond has been amazing. Well, she's been Gumazing. Hey, ba-boom-ch. Oh yeah, sorry Freya, I forgot about you. Yeah, this is Freya. Say hi.
Hi.
So enthusiastic. I love it. Yeah, Amazing Diamond, she gave me a studded collar, which is part of my main look, Freya can actually see me making these really weird arm movements. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Yeah, I think I'm getting back on track. I also got like a ton of ibex horns as well. I got 6 ibex horns, which I think, as far as I know, are pretty good. I did search them up on the Animal Jam wiki, but I've kind of forgotten. I didn't get a rare one, but I got this. Freya always laughs at this. Lol. Yeah, I got this. It's not rare, which is unfortunate. I think they're pretty good, so I got Marley Day bow. This. You can actually see what it is. I'm gonna dress up really ridiculous, and then I'm gonna let you, have your reaction. Okay, right.
Oh no.
Yay! I'm a sheep reindeer. I'm a fat Rudolph with a pink nose.
A pink atlas.
Yeah, and a pet mouse. Yeah, I love this mouse. It's so cute. It's like the cutest pet ever. Sorry, I just nearly dropped my laptop. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna leave these antlers on for the rest of the video. Okay, there we go. And Freya, this is your challenge. You gotta try and stop laughing at this. Okay? You gotta try not to laugh. Failed. You failed. She's a superhero. You actually look like a superhero with that one.
No, I don't. Now I'm a cuticle.
Oh my god, Freya. Dude. Jeez. That does not look right. Okay, I don't like this. I need to... There we go. I'm cool again. I'm not derpy, I'm cool. I'm one of the cool kids, you know? Just cool. One of the cool kids. Sorry about that again. Freya's mum wanted something as well.
Yeah.
Our parents can be pretty annoying.
Yes,
As you can tell. And yeah, I also found out the other username of the hacker. So I will search them up. Harry and her fandoms, I think.
Sorry.
I know it's really weird. And that is my pirate sword.
Pirate sword. What? Pirate sword?
Oh, of course, because you can't see my screen.
Yeah, I cannot see it. Yeah, I cannot see the screen.
Okay. Right, come to me. I think the den's unlocked.
Okay.
One sec, people. Okay. We are back once again. Okay, Freya, click the name at the top right. See the sword they're wearing?
Yep.
Yep, that's mine. And that is, like, that's a non-member one, which is really rare.
That little sneaky wolf.
You think I don't hate them enough?
I don't like them.
I despise them.
I despise them.
And you know what? We're going to make good use of their den, so...
I took the sword. Let's do that thing where
Huh?
Okay, never mind.
Well, yeah. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but lately I've been doing thumbnails. There should be one on this video as well. Hopefully they're good. I don't know, but hopefully. And yeah, if you like the video and you want to see more by me, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Any suggestions for a video or just, you know, random things, just comment down below. Freya has been Freya, and yeah, Freya.
Maria has been Maria.
Thanks for that, Freya. You just said my real name.
I mean, Thea. That was
It's fine. I think I accidentally said it in a video once, so I guess it's fine. And I know the reason, so.
CL has been CL.
And you guys have been awesome, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.